students, in today's class we are going to discuss about Hussey diagram. A partial ordering less than or equal to on a set P can be represented by means of a diagram known as Hussey diagram or a partial ordered set diagram. Okay, in such a diagram each element is represented by a small circle or by a dot. Okay, the circle for x element of P is drawn below the circle for y element of P if x less than or equal to y. Okay, and a line is drawn between x and y if there does not exist any element z element of P such that x less than or equal to z and y z less than or equal to y. Clear? Let x is equal to 2, 3, 6, 12, 24, 36. And the relation less than or equal to b such that x less than or equal to y if x divides. This is just a notation, not less than or equal to. This is just a notation. This notation here in this example means that x divides y. Draw the Hussey diagram. Draw Hussey diagram. I think it is clear to you. Okay, diagram of x with this relation less than or. Okay, so first we write the relation R. Okay, so 2 divides 3, 2 with 2. 2 divides 3, no. 2 divides 6, yes. 2, 6. 2, 12. 2, 24. 2, 36 are possible. Okay. Next, 3 divides 6, yes. So, 3, 3. 3, 6. 3, 12. 3, 24. 3, 36. Okay. Next, 6. 6 divides 6 itself. 6 divides 12. 6 divides 24. 6 divides 36. So, like this. Then 12. 12 divides 12 itself. 12 divides 24. 12 divides 36. Okay. Next 24. 24 divides 24 itself. 24 divides 36. 36 divides 36 itself. These are the possible relations. So, to draw the Hussey diagram from the above conditions, we can do like this. The 2 and 3 are here. Okay. Then 2 and 3 divide 6. So, there are 2. This is our 6. From 6, draw a line to 12. From 12, we can draw 12 divides 24. 24 does not divide 36. Sorry. This is not possible. So, if we draw one line to 24, okay, then we cannot draw 24 to 36 because 24 does not divide 36. But 12 divides 36. So, draw one line to the 36. So, 2 divides 6, 2 divides 12, like this. 2 divides 36, 2 divides 24. 3 divides 6, 3 divides 12, 3 divides 36 and 24. 6 divides 12, 36 and 24. 12 divides 36 and 24. 24 does not divide 36. Therefore, there is no line between them. I think it is clear. This is the Hussey diagram of this poset. I think it is clear to you. Next, let A be a given finite set and P of A, it's a power set. Okay, let less than equal to be the inclusion relation on the elements of P of A. Draw Hussey diagram of P of A with a less than or equal to. Here less than or equal to means the inclusion on the sets. Inclusion. Okay, first given the set A equal to A, symbol A, B. A is equal to two elements A, B. C, A equal to A, B, C. Okay, first we have to consider A. If A is equal to symbol A, singleton set A, what is P of A? Power set of A contains phi and singleton set A. So we can draw the Hussey diagram by phi, and the other element is A, singleton set A. By inclusion they are connected, they are comparable. So there is a line between them. Okay, next B, A equal to A and B. What is P of A? Phi, singleton set A, singleton set B, singleton set AB. Clear? Then phi is here, phi. A is singleton set A is here, singleton set B is here. Phi is comparable with these two. Okay. But these two are not comparable. So there is no line between them. But there is another element A, B. Okay. These two are comparable. These two are comparable. So there is lines between them. I think it is clear to you. Okay. Next we are considering the C part. In C, A is given by A, B, C. Okay, now we are considering P of A. P of A equal to phi, singleton set A, singleton set B, singleton set C, and AB, AC, and BC are there, and also ABC. Okay, these are the possible subsets of A, B, C. Okay. To draw this, first draw phi and also singleton set A, singleton set B, singleton set C. They are not comparable to each other. So, but they are comparable with phi. So, there is a line between A, B, C and phi. But there is no line between them. Okay, clear. Next, we are considering here AB, BC, sorry, AC, AC and BC. Okay, so these are comparable with this. C is included in this, B is included in this. Okay, and C is included in this, A is included in this, B is included in this, and A is included in this. Okay, last one is ABC. So AB is included in this, AC is included in this, and BC is included in this. So the Hussey diagram is like this. I think it is clear to you. Okay. Next problem is, let A be the set of factors of the particular positive integers m. Factors of m. Factors of m is considered as capital A. Less than or equal to, the relation is divides. Draw the Hussey diagram. Draw Hussey diagram. First one, m equal to 6. Okay, what is A? Factors of m. Factors of m, factors of 6 here. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Draw the Hussey diagram. 1 is here. 2 and 3 is here. Okay, 1 divides 3, 1 divides 2, so we can draw lines between them. And there is another element, 6 is here. 2 divides 6 and 3 divides 6. So the Hussey diagram is like this. Okay. Next one, suppose m equal to 12. And what is A? Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not 6, 7 is not 8, not 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? So 1 is here, 2, 3. 2, 3 is here. 1 divides 3, 1 divides 2. Then other one is 4 and 6. Do 4 and 6. 2 divides 4, 2 divides 6. 3 divides 6. 3 does not divide 4. Okay, the last member is 12. 4 divides 12. 6 divides 12. Okay, so 2 divides 12, 4 divides 12, 3 divides 12, 6 divides 12. Okay, everything possible. I think it is clear to you. This is the corresponding Hasse diagram. So you draw as an homework for m equal to 30, m equal to 45, m equal to 2. Okay, it's enough. Okay, draw Hasse diagram for m30, m45 and m equal to 2.